Crysis Remastered has been cracked by CPUI. Is FIFA 21 next on the list? Welcome to my brand new vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it. Let's get started. Now, first of all, I want to say that Crysis Remastered is also available on the Epic Game Store as well as on Steam. The price of the game is around $9.99 and the size of the game is around 21 GB. Now, coming on to CPUI. Yes, CPUI has done it. It feels like CPUI is on a mission. CPUI wants to make every latest game which has Denuvo. Yes, all the Denuvo games which have been released, the latest games are definitely on the radar and on the list of CPUI. That makes FIFA 21 next on the list. But wait, there could be a lot of issues with FIFA 21. What are the issues? You need an internet access, you need origin access, you need to have an EA account. All those permutation combinations are required to play FIFA 21. Now that could be the biggest challenge and biggest issue, because if you need an online access, CPUI definitely cannot do anything. That is the problem with FIFA 21. 24-hour. You need to have a 24-hour internet or broadband connection in order to play the game. So that could be the major challenge regarding FIFA 21. Now, not many people have already commented on my previous vlogs and videos that they do not like FIFA 21 and that's why they do not want to play the game. But definitely every year when FIFA comes, people are not happy with the FIFA version, but still they want to play it. However, they say that FIFA is bad, FIFA is not good, but still they want to play the FIFA game. And that is the beauty about the FIFA franchise and FIFA 20 and FIFA 21. Everybody at least wants to try because they want to find out the flaw in the FIFA game. They definitely want to play the game. So the next question is on the CPUI, whether that internet access issue would be fixed by CPUI or not. Let's see what happens going forward. Now, coming on to the latest game part. Assassin's Creed new game is just coming within 2 weeks time. So that could be next. Yes, that could be really on the list of CPUI because that has the same Denuvo version. Yes, you heard me correct. The Denuvo version of the latest Assassin's Creed game could be the same as all the games were having Denuvo version 9. That could be the reason Assassin's Creed could be definitely on the list and radar of CPUI. So let's see what happens going forward. But it feels like CPUI is definitely wants to make all the games which has Denuvo available. Now, it is not because of Empress who's working on the game and who was trying to work on the Denuvo game after Mortal Kombat 11. It's not that Empress and CPUI are in a competition. Certainly that is not how other people should take it. It's all good. If Empress is working or CPUI is working, it's all good for the gaming circuit. Games are getting available. Codex is definitely not going to work on any Denuvo game. That is a trend which we are seeing. Codex is happy being worked upon Steam games, having the DRM Steam. So currently all the Denuvo games are worked upon by Empress or the CPUI. Currently Empress has no choice. Empress has to look for older Denuvo version games like Anno 1800 because CPUI, from the current trend, it's being seen that CPUI is only going to work on the latest game. So let's see what happens going forward. I'm not sure how many vlogs I have made throughout the week. This is the first time I'm making so many vlogs in 1 week's time. Let's see. Should I make more vlogs in the coming days or not? Let's see what happens and what CPUI surprises us going forward. So it's a very healthy week going forward because CPUI is here to surprise everyone and we are ready to be surprised. That's the best part. So let's see what happens going forward. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it because vlogs are all the destination for all your gaming news. If any game has a news, small news, big news, all the news are definitely on my vlog. So if you want to stay ahead of every news, subscribe to my channel and put your comments below. Do you want to play Crysis Remastered or not? So our next target is 7,000 subscribers. Hopefully we will achieve the target as soon as possible. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I will keep a target of around 400 likes on this video. Let's see if we can get that or not. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe it now. See you on the vlog hopefully very soon. Bye bye, take care, keep supporting, keep loving, keep gaming.